Bulov na Kastolino Fems. Just want to show you something that I've been noticing in the past years that I've been hunting. I usually come across this. See? Some coconuts that are partially husked, and some fully husked. Look, they remove the husk, the mbulu, the mbulu. Yeah, for the vara. And when they remove the husk, they try to chew the nut and eat the flesh. Some are successful with chewing the nut. They are able to break the nuts, so they eat the flesh. But some are successful like this. They leave the nuts. So you can imagine how strong the jaws of these wild boars are. Imagine chewing your fingers or legs or bones.